Okay, everyone got a chance to write down something? Yes?
Yes.
Does anyone need a couple more minutes? A little bit? One more minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not moving. I'm moving to the broken.
Alrighty, that was 2 minutes and up. Okay, so the first question. Okay, so the first question was there a change in total mass? If there was, do you think it's significant? And what were your thoughts about why you got this result? So I'm going to pick 3 tables, and I want you guys to tell me why or what you put down, okay? Group 7, team 7. How about Leo? Can you tell me what you read for the first part?
I mean, someone from your table can help you out. So Christina, Stephanie.
I put that there's a minor change in the mass, and I believe since the liquid kind of turned more into gas, it weighs less.
And why? What your thoughts were about why you got these results?
What?
About like why do you think you got the results? You said there was a slight change in mass, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think that happened?
I don't know, because I mean, it was at 103 grams, and then it changed to 100.7 grams. So, since the balloon was filled with the gasoline, I guess the reason.
Okay. How about group 6?
Perla, can you tell us what you think for that question? Was there a change in mass? And if there was it significant?
Lastly, group 1.
There was a change in mass, and our change was significant because it increased by grams.
Okay. And what are your thoughts about why you got these results? Why do you think there was like a change of 5 grams? Is that?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Okay. Elaine, is that correct? Can you help him out? About one reason why there might have been a change in mass? Something was added to it? Okay. How about the second conclusion? The law of conservation of mass says that the mass is neither created nor destroyed in a closed system. Explain how that was or was not shown in your reaction. 5.
Did y'all answer this question?
Yeah. Yeah.
On the other side? So what do you think?
For my group, there was a change. I was with Angel, and so ours changed by 5 grams. So it was pretty significant.
Okay. And, so for the other question about the law of conservation of mass, was this shown in your reaction? Was mass conserved or was it not conserved?
For ours, the law of conservation of mass was not present because how it says it neither can be created nor destroyed, and our mass increased, so we kind of created, we can't.
Okay, how about group 4? Do you guys get the same results or something different? The same results? Was there, tell me about like, what was the difference in mass for you guys?
Like the number? Like
Yeah,
two,
sure.
Like 2 grams.
2 grams? Was it an increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase? Okay, so do you think the conservation of mass was shown in your reaction or not? It was not. Okay, Nathan, do you want to tell us about your results?
My weight stayed completely the same.
Okay, so for your reaction, do you think the conservation of mass was shown or not shown?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone get to look at the extension at the end of your worksheet? I know you guys practiced with the balance equations weeks ago.
Y'all have done some single displacement, double displacement.
No. So why don't you take a couple minutes to think about it? It's not great or anything, so just put down what you think would occur. If you look at the front, you can see the reactants written out for you. We said it was, one of the reactants was HCl, and the other one was sodium bicarbonate. So starting with those two, try to see what products you might have gotten. And since it's kind of tricky with 3 products being created, we already written out one for you guys. And that was CO2, which was the gas that was produced.
So do y'all think y'all can predict the products for this reaction? I know that y'all have had some practice with this. So the NaHCO3 was the sodium bicarbonate, which was in your balloon.
Did you actually?
And the HCl was the clear liquid that you put inside the Erlenmeyer flask. Somebody wanna volunteer and tell us what their final products were? Tony. Tony,
What was
what's
your
your
product?
Do I have to say the CO2?
Sure,
No.
yeah.
It was CO2 plus NaCl
NaCl. Uh-huh.
plus H2O.
Plus H2O. Did anyone get a different answer? No, everyone got the same? Or,
Do you wanna explain, Tony, how you got that? Or your group, if y'all worked on it together, do you wanna help them out? Jason?
Yeah, so for the first equation, so we can balance it out, we put H2O on the side. There's H, on the first part, and then plus H, so that's already H2.
alright.
So you already got O2 plus O, so that's O3, so you already balanced that part out. And you just moved Na with Cl, and there's 1 and 1, so that balances out too, if I explain that right.
Okay, and do we need to change the coefficients for any of these?
No.
No?
Okay, good job.
So, we changed the 2 and, wait,
You sure you still up?
no, we just left it alone like that.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna do another true false activity. Hopefully y'all are more confident on your knowledge of the conservation of mass and y'all can confidently answer these. So Ms. Blaney is gonna pass out the true false activity, and again, you're gonna get 1 to 2 minutes to work on it independently. And then we're gonna discuss with the groups and do the sticky note activity again, okay?
So it's the exact same questions as before. We just think now that you've done the experiment, we'll see if any of your answers have changed or if you can explain them any better, okay?
And if y'all want to copy down the reaction.
All right, you have 2 minutes to think about it individually.
That's like on Wednesday. Yeah, it's different every day. We're good.
I don't know how I'm writing.
Bueno, pues ya trabaja.
Yeah. Right, with your new knowledge that you have.
¿Qué tiene de malo? Más o menos. ¿No? Hace tanto 15.
Did you pay for them, or did you like insurance pay for them?
Okay, so start finishing up your own thoughts before we discuss with our table. So now, again, like we did at the beginning, you're going to take 1 to 2 minutes to talk about it with your groups, and again, write true or false, depending, and how confident you are in your answer on the sticky notes. And again, you're going to put it on question 1 in station 1, question 2 in station 2.
So same thing we did earlier. So talk to your groups for 2 minutes and put your stuff on the board.
She snapped at you.
What's the first one?
Where is this book? Number 3, a picture. Where's the picture?
One more minute, talk in your group and start sticking your sticky notes up.
You have 30 seconds, so y'all should be finishing up your thoughts. Are y'all done, guys? Or do you need 1 more minute?
Alright, let's be sticking them on the board.
Come on, Sir Cameron.
Sir Cameron. You gotta get some pants, a good shirt.
We're gonna dress Cameron.
Sir Cameron. No.
Everyone should have your sticky notes up. Don't finish it, guys. It's okay if you don't finish it.
So every group should be putting their sticky notes on the board. Alright, so let's look at question 1. If you have 10 grams of liquid water, there will be a change in mass when it changes to gas, or if there's an evaporation.
Who put true? Does anyone want to volunteer what they put down? Their reason? Group 4.
Group 4. Raul, do you want to tell us your answer?
True?
Why did you think it was true?
Makes it back.
Is it evaporating? Okay, so do you think if you said true that there would be a change in mass, do you think the mass would have increased or decreased? Decreased? Okay, another group who said true. Group 7? Can you tell me what you put for question number 1?
We put true.
True. And can you tell me a reason why, or give me an example?
Because when we did the lab, the mass did change a
And
little.
then it stayed the same when it turned into the gas in the balloon.
Okay. How about some false?
Group 6. Y'all put false. Josh, can you tell us why you put false?
Because it was just the air that was like the mass of it.
Mm-hmm.
This is what I thought. The air was just changing the mass. And so when the air wasn't there, the mass was low.
Okay, so you think like some of the mass went to the air.
Yes.
One other